Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup from paste. Heat 2 cups of dashi until gently steaming, then scoop a small bowl of dashi and whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons miso paste until smooth. Return the miso mixture to the warm pot off the heat, add cubed tofu and rehydrated wakame, then garnish with sliced green onions and serve immediately for best flavor. Start by warming 2 to 4 cups of dashi gently until it is steaming but not boiling. Then place 1 to 2 tablespoons of miso paste in a bowl and add a ladle of hot dashi while whisking until perfectly smooth. Stir that mixture back into the pot off heat, fold in soft tofu cubes and hydrated wakame, taste, and adjust miso by teaspoon increments for salt balance. To fine-tune flavor, start with white miso for a gentle profile or choose red miso for a deeper, saltier character. Always add miso gradually and taste between additions, since a little goes a long way. Brighten the soup with sliced green onions, a few drops of soy sauce if needed, and a tiny pinch of sesame oil for aroma. Serve immediately to enjoy the best texture and temperature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.